Good morning! We just got to Epcot. We are so excited to have like a full long day here at Epcot to get to experience all of the flower and garden things, because we were here like one evening and then we also came over for like a half a day, and that was the day that it was kind of more overcast and everything, so we didn't get to see like as much of the flower and garden stuff, like really walk around and take everything in. So I cannot wait to get in here, and it's really fun because all of the girls in the family have on matching shirts today. Mom has on hers back there. So we are really excited, and I just always love a good Epcot day. Today's gonna be awesome. Let's go. We're here. We're ready for a flower and garden Epcot day, and look at this. We're looking at the display that they have set up for the main entrance display, and we're walking once again through these Leave a Legacy things because this will be going away and this will all be Disney history one day. And there goes the monorail. Always love getting that monorail shot. Looks so cool. So I'm currently waiting on the fam over there. They were renting a wheelchair, and while they're in line doing that, I'm just like walking around the main entrance here and just like taking tons of photos. I just took some little photos of Pluto over there as he was meeting guests, and this is just so cool, like to like just stop and really like spend a lot of time like in one area. Like me and Nicole kind of did that on Main Street the other day, where we were just kind of like hanging out. We found that little quiet stoop to sit on Main Street, and we're just sitting there talking, and it's so cool to just kind of like find those random spots in Disney. So like right now I'm just walking around the main entrance of Epcot, which, like I keep saying, this is all going to change. Like in a few years time this will all look completely different. So it's neat to like do this and like stop and take in this Disney, like as Disney is right now. It's just so cool. That's something that fascinates me. So yeah, let's go ahead and appreciate the Leave a Legacy plaques. Okay, so one of the things is it's NSYNC has a plaque thing, like their faces are on it, and I've never found it. I think that'd be cool to find, because I mean, that's like the big thing I always see on Instagram that everyone talks about, so I guess it would be under NSYNC. That starts with an I. Let's go there. They're all by letters, how they have these categorized. Oh gosh, there's all like A, B, C, D, E, F, G on like multiple ones. Oh, so this is like all, wait, I'm so confused. This is, okay. Wait, I don't see any eyes. What is happening? Wait, I need to go down this way. I'm learning. These will all be going away by the time I understand this. Yeah, they like repeat. There's more A's and B's. C and D. What is? I am confused. Oh, I think it's like there's columns. Like this is all A, B, C. Like the airline. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's not that you're like alphabetical order. It's just that there's like A, B, C, D, E. Got it, got it. It's not like by last name or anything. Okay, that makes sense. And this fountain is also a area that will be getting changed when they make the Epcot renovations. They're going to make it look more like the original fountain and have the spires in the center, which I'm really excited about. I think that's gonna make this look very futuristic, which is what Epcot is all about. So it looks like they're almost to the front of the line over there, so I don't know if I have time to find NSYNC today, but let me know. Do you have a face on any one of these things? Anyone who's watching this? Do you have a Leave a Legacy thing that you and your family did? Let me know. And they're gonna move these, they're gonna keep them around, I think until 2021 was the contract, so they're gonna move them to out front of Epcot. But yes, it's real. Oh look, the skywriter's here. Oh, that's so awesome. There's like a local guy that does skywriting in Orlando, and he always has like really inspirational Christian messages. I always like to see him. I haven't seen him recently. Oh look, he's making a smiley face. Skyrider.
Will you take her? Yeah. Elizabeth, go in. They can see the dance. My band logged in, so you I'm here by the time.
So if you were ever wondering where the bubblegum wall and the blueberry wall are in Epcot, I will show you right now. So when you come, like you're walking into Epcot, like right as you pass Spaceship Earth, and you're walking, either side actually has one. Or if you ride Spaceship Earth and then you get off, it will just be right here. So you see that's the exit door for Spaceship Earth and like the Project Tomorrow area. And right as you walk out, just look at this wall, and this is the bubblegum wall. They have it on each side, and then they also have it on the opposite side of this whole building. So there's like technically 4 bubblegum walls. I feel like the true Disney Instagrammers know, like I think one's like the official, but they all look the same. And then this one that is then in front of the blueberry, or in front of the bubblegum wall, is called the blueberry wall, which is this blue tone one with the Project Tomorrow sign. So that is your Disney Wall 101 for the day. Looking at more of the Skyrider. He is Jesus loves you. I think that's what he's doing. He has love almost completed. So now the fam was in guest relations, and so I'm just like walking around taking tons of pictures and everything, and I came over here to take a picture with Daisy Duck, which she's directly behind Spaceship Earth this year. And I totally like, we came and saw her the other night, and this just like went over my head. This just proves that when you stop and really are taking your time and looking at things, you notice all this stuff. They planted actual daisies in front of Daisy. That is just genius. I love that. And like, how did I not pay attention to that earlier this week when we came here? I absolutely adore that. Oh, look at that little bird on top of the star peak up there. Okay, we are all sorted out at guest relations. Got the whole fam together, and we are going to go, I think, try to do single rider at Test Track. Love Test Track. We have not done that yet this trip, and it is so much fun. It's always like the best way to like energize and start your day too. I can hear the janitors up ahead, and they actually, I think they become like, they have an overlay for Flower and Garden, like the gardeners or something. Also inside of Mouse Gears, you can pick up your pass holder magnet. We all still need to do this. I don't know if we'll run in right now, or we'll definitely have to come back. We decided to do it right now because there was no line, so we came in and got our pass holder magnets, and I am on cloud 9. I'm so happy because we were able to get both of them. So what they do is they release Pluto at the beginning of the festival, and he was like from March to like mid-April, and then from mid-April they switched over to Daisy Duck, and we were seeing online, we're like, oh, it'd be so great if we could get both of them, and they still had a bunch of the Pluto left. So we were able to get both Daisy and Pluto. I'm so happy. Look at it. Okay, so here's Daisy. Let me show you. And then here's her buddy Pluto. I'm so happy we got them both. Oh, that like just came out. Okay, I might need to buy that. That is adorable. I love the Americana. Oh my gosh, so cute. That might have to be coming with me. How much is it? $44.99. That's not bad for like a completed outfit, you know, like it's a whole dress. So cute. They have a lot of, look, 4th of July stuff out. We have to check that out later. Pass holder magnets, check. We're now heading over towards Test Track to do single rider over there. But I was so excited because look, Lightning McQueen and Tomater are set up over here, and we didn't get to see them yet. Like, we didn't venture back into this particular part of Epcot yet. Look how cute they are. Oh, I love this display this year. I love how they made it look like a road that he's driving on. And there's monorail.
That's the only free ride at Disney.
Wow. They are so cute. Test Track is down right now. Oh no, so we'll just have to come back at some point and we will get to ride it again. So right now we're gonna go ahead and, I don't know, what's the plan? Start heading to, well, we need to take our picture because all of us in our matchy shirts, we need our picture, which like you said is probably best because we were already saying we're gonna get so wind blown and whipped around on Test Track that we're then not gonna be like picture ready. So we'll probably go ahead and yeah, I think just start exploring everything. Check out, oh, Bo Peep and Woody are up here. I wanted to get their picture in daytime. This is so cute. So they've always at Flower Garden had Woody and Buzz. Woody's was typically back in like America, and then Buzz was over by Mission Space. But this year, because they have Toy Story 4 coming out, they've added Bo Peep and her sheep. The sheep are adorable, the topiaries. I was just taking a ton of pictures, and they have this whole playground area which is like themed to Toy Story. It is adorable. Okay, let me give you a close-up of the topiaries. They are adorable. I love that they have the crowns back there by Buzz. It's really cute. Like the whole just setup that they have is adorable. And then over here we have Bo Peep and Woody. Once again, they have the jacks in the ground, like all the toys. Okay. Here's the playground that they have. So cute. Hi. I love the barrel of monkeys in the trees. Such a cute touch. So right now we're on the My Disney Experience app looking at some lunch reservations for today. We're hoping that we could get into Rose and Crown Pub, which my parents ate at last time. And when did you eat there? That was in, or no, that was when I wasn't with you in November, I think. I was on my cruise, and they were still here at Disney, and they ate there and said it was absolutely amazing. And I've actually never eaten there, so I really have been wanting to, ever since they went, I like want to go even more. So I think we might be getting that one. Also, my dad just noticed something really interesting. You notice this color scheme over here. We're looking at this building across the way, and he said, I don't think it's ever been painted like that before. I think he's
down the green part of it.
Yeah, look at that. It's like green.
We will insert picture here.
From last year, yes. Insert picture here. I think he's onto something, because you know all of this is going to slowly start getting its renovation. Yeah, you can see this year it's like definitely looks like a fresh paint job. Okay, so we made a pit stop inside a club pool. We're gonna try the sodas. I don't remember doing this as of too recently, and we love to come in here and do this. And this is another thing, now that they're making all these changes, like who knows how much longer this experience is gonna be in here. So here we go. Which one you going for, Papa?
He did the grease.
The grease one? Oh, I like that one. Pineapple? Pineapple one? Okay, what am I gonna go for? I'll join you in that. I'm gonna go grease. All right, cheers. Pineapple's good. It's like a soda version of the Dole Whip. I like it. It's good. Cheers. Oh yeah, they actually don't have Beverly here in our thing. Yeah, that's the one you want to avoid.
They have it over at the other.
Oh yeah.
I don't want that one.
Would you try? I like Japan too. I think this one might be my favorite. The Japan one. It has like, it's a non-carbonated one. It's good. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of Japan. This one's my fave. Oop, it really filled it up there. That one is just so refreshing. It's like a fruit juice. There's my fave, Figment. I think we might actually go do his ride right now because we have a little bit of time before our Soarin' Fast Pass. What do you guys got? What is that? Oh, you lucked out. You got a pretzel.
Yeah.
You guys are lucky ducks.
I don't even want any.
He's on the lookout for something else. Oh my gosh, so cute. He's got an entire chunk of a pretzel. Disney duck lifestyle, I'm telling you. Look at them. So the Figment line was like out the door. So I think what we're gonna do is we have a little bit of downtime until our Fast Pass inside the land for Soarin'. So we might go over to the Seas and see if that has a long wait. And if not, I said I would just love to maybe just walk around inside there. I love sea life, and looking just at the aquariums and everything is like so peaceful for me. I love that. So I would be happy just kind of chilling in there. So yeah, we're gonna see. We're over to see my faves. Blue and Little Joe, I love them. These are the resident manatees here in Epcot, Lou and Little Joe. And they do the little twirl. Whee! That's genius. Dad, explain your genius idea here.
They start staring at the moving screen and people
All run over. Yeah, it's working. My dad was standing here like, look at what this is. And now all these people are looking. And it's opening up the other aquariums for us to look at. Pro tip for in the seas.